Hey guys, so today I decided to add some clip-ins to my hair because honestly I just wanted to try something different today. So today I am going to be wearing these clip-ins from Eayonhair. These are some seamless kinky curly clip-ins. I got two pairs, which is 20 inches, and this is what the extensions look like. Now I am going to go ahead and wash the extensions. Now these clip-ins have been upgraded from the traditional thick wefted extensions. These extensions, as you can see, is very flat. It's going to give a more seamless look. They're not bulky. They're going to lay more flat up against your head or your scalp when it comes to the install. So it's supposed to give a more seamless look. So when it comes to like clip-ins, it's basically like a quick, easy install, and it also can be a protective install. So when it comes to washing your clip-ins, it's very simple and easy. Back in the day when I used to wear clip-ins, I always used to keep my clip-ins together because it just makes it a lot easier when it comes to washing the hair. So it is a little hard trying to wash the clip-ins with one hand, so I'm just lathering up the shampoo really good. I did use Suave, love Suave. Alright, so this is what the extensions look like after the hair has been shampooed and dry. Now, I did not braid my hair. You definitely can braid your hair for your install, but girl, I ain't got time for that. So I just put my hair basically like in two braids going straight to the back. And this is what the wefts look like. So as I said before, it is more like a flat, seamless weft where you don't see the wefts. It's interesting. Like, I don't know what they got going on here, but it's supposed to be like a super flat install, and also it comes with the normal clips where you just basically clip the tracks onto your head like so. So I'm going to take the longest track, of course, which has 4 clips, and apply it to the back of my head. Now I always start kind of high up with my clip-ins just so that I make sure I have enough clips, and then I'll work my way to the front. And because this hair is on the kinky curly side, I do have the ability to kind of space out the clip-ins because the hair is big. So yeah, I can play around with it. I can manipulate the spacing basically with this type of texture. So I think each pack comes with like 2 tracks with 4 combs, 2 or 3 tracks with like 3 combs, and so forth. So as I make my way up my head, I'm going to use the next track, which is 3 combs, or the next track with 3 combs, as you see here. And then the next track will be 2 combs, and the next track will be 1 comb. So yeah, it just keeps moving like that. Okay, so to finish out the look is real interesting. So I do not have any leave out. I did not like crochet, which you can do. You can crochet the finished look to like add the last track, or you can braid your hair, or you can do leave out. Like there's so many different ways that you can finish off the look or whatever. But I saw this girl on YouTube do this method where she took the hairs and looped it through the actual comb, and then she just placed the track where her part was, and that kind of gave like the illusion of her having leave out. And I was like, girl, I'm gonna try that because I don't have my hair braided. I'm not about to do no crochet, and I don't know. I ain't got time for all that other stuff. Like, this is supposed to be a real quick, simple install. So I decided to try, and I think it turned out really good. So yeah, basically what I did is I opened up the combs and I just started pulling some of the hairs through the combs. You can't pull a whole lot because you got to remember you still have to close the combs down. So just pull enough of the hairs through the comb that you're able to cover the tracks. And the good thing about this particular clip-in is there's no like whiffs, like there's no tracks showing. So it's going to give you an even more, you know, like not so track showing type of install. That's kind of crazy to say, but it's not going to look like, you know, your tracks is not going to be as visible. So I'm going to go ahead and place the clip-ins right beside my part. And y'all, it's going to look so good to the point where it don't even look like it's like tracks. It looks like literally my leave out. So yeah. Y'all, that is crazy. She is a genius for thinking about this. But anyways, here is a up close and personal clip of what the section should look like if you decide to do this method. Again, just pulling small pieces of the hair through the open clip. Okay, so now that I got both packs, 2 packs installed, I am going to start fluffing out the curls and start shaping the curls and start cutting and layering, just to, you know, try to start shaping the hair. Now, because the clip-ins is not really fully secure because I do not have my hair braided, I am being, you know, very light-handed because I do not want the clip-ins to come out. But of course, if they do come out, I can just simply reposition the clip-ins like I'm about to do here. So, I mean, it's not really a big deal. But just keep in mind that if you do not have your hair braided, the clip-ins isn't as secured versus, you know, having your hair braided. But one thing that I do like about this particular method of not having any leave out is that you're able to add more tracks and you do have a little bit more flexibility. As you see here, I just went in at the top and added some more hair because I wanted that part to be closed in just a little bit more. And again, like I said, I'm just going in and fluffing out the hair, girl. Yeah. So I pretty much got the hair fluffed out. So I'm going to let you girls see what the back of this install looks like. Now keep in mind, because the texture is on the fluffy side, you can definitely get away with just using like a pack and a half. But girl, I went on ahead and used 2 packs. And like I said, you can definitely spread out the tracks if you end up not having enough hair. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look to this super quick install of some clip-ins. I haven't worn clip-ins in a long time, y'all. So this was real fun, quick, and interesting to do. It was different. I feel like I need to do more installs like this because it is a protective install. It's different. I do feel like, you know, I need to do more installs like this to get better at it. And basically, like what I'm doing right here, by the way, is just, you know, trying to frame my face because this is a lot of hair right now. And I did not feel like going in and defining the part. I mean, defining the curls. I'm so used to saying defining the part. I didn't feel like going in and defining all these curls because it was just way too many curls. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to shape the hair, y'all, and it looks real natural though. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, the hair looks real natural, real fluffy, real soft. So if you are interested in getting some clip-ins, or you want a protective hairstyle, or you want some hair that looks like yours and it's low maintenance, doesn't take a lot of time, definitely check out Eayonhair. Clip-ins their clip-ins are pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. The way that the clip-ins is made is pretty good. Definitely upgraded from what I'm used to. So I'll make sure I leave all of the details below in the description bar. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.